Global parameters are a way to reuse parts of the model across one or multiple functions. They can be accessed by clicking on the Global Parameters panel. Here, you can operate as if it were a normal function, with a few differences. Every global parameter can be used multiple times across multiple places. You cannot generate test suites directly from global parameters. Only functions provide this capability. To create a global parameter, click on the Add Global Parameter button and type its name. For example, we want to make the weapon parameter global. This parameter is not connected to any function yet. To link it, drag the parameter and drop it onto the desired location in the function, then type a name. Note that you can investigate all references by hovering your mouse over the number of links label. When deleting a reference parameter, you have two options: delete all linked parameters or promote them to standalone parameters. In this case, select the first option. Now let's see a more practical way to create global parameters. Grab a function parameter and drop it into the Global Parameters panel. As you can see, the function parameter changes its type to linked. Next, let's create an additional copy of the weapon parameter. Keep in mind that it's not possible to modify reference parameters through linked parameters. All nodes are grayed out. If you need to update a global parameter, do it in the Global Parameters panel. All changes are reflected automatically. To finish this tutorial, let's generate a test suite. This time, we have two sets of weapons, which means that the global parameters work as expected.